Hi, good day. So for this video, I'm going to discuss how to find leads on LinkedIn with this few strategies that I'm going to share. So um, first thing that we are going to do is that we make sure that we have already our LinkedIn account. Of course, we have already signed up, and of course, once you have already your LinkedIn account, make sure that you have already optimized your LinkedIn profile. So that's the first and foremost important for us to have to find leads on LinkedIn, that we will ensure that our LinkedIn profile is complete, professional, and optimized with relevant keywords to attract potential clients. So to do that, you can go to your profile by clicking your name here, or you can go here on this part and click view profile. So after that, um, make sure that you have already a professional photo that will help you place here. Okay, and also a banner photo also. It could be like this, or you can put or place your name here and what services do you offer. If you are a social media marketer, social media manager, or um, expert with um, some niche that will help the business of a client. Okay, so you can place your email here, or if you have a website. Okay, and after that, uh, the services that you offered, you can also place it here below your name. Okay, because this will also help some clients if they're looking for a freelancer or VA, to help them with their business. So this will also help in with with the keywords that you can be searched. Also, don't forget to put your address, and if you have a website, you can place it here and link it here. Okay, so they can also see that also. And then once you have that already, uh, place something here on about section, about you, about uh, what are your skills, your what are your services that you offered, and maybe you can also place the result if they avail your offers or services. What could be the expected result, or yeah, what could they get? Okay, so like that. And also you can place your top skills here. I think this is only five right now. If you have more than five, then just pick five out of them to place them here. Okay, your top skills. So the client, or yeah, if they find, if you're there looking for VA or freelancer, they will know what skills, what top skills do you have, and services also. So if you are going to edit or place something here, just go to this pencil button. Same with this about section. So everything here in LinkedIn, if you are going to edit or place something, just look for the pencil button for you to edit or place something. Also, if you have some certifications or some projects or output already, so place it here on the featured, so they will know your credentials also. And um, yeah, so that is more on optimization of your profile, of your LinkedIn profile. And also, one of the strategy also in finding in finding leads is um, engaging with your audience, like actively commenting on their posts or reposting, just like what I did. So I repost, most of my activities here are more on reposting and reacting with their posts, like uh, uh, showing love or giving like, or um, giving an insightful reaction with their post. So yeah, that's also helpful. So you can see here, if you repost post of that person, you can see it here. If you're dropping a comment, you can also see it here. Yeah, and some images that you have posted. So if you are okay, so that's more on engaging with your audience. Now, if you want to create and share engaging content, so you can do that here by clicking this create a post. So you can um, post some valuable content, um, such as article, videos, updates that address the pain points of your target audience. So you can type here and place some images here or videos, right? So yeah, with that, um, uh, you can place some educational content or do some storytelling. Okay. What more? Mm, high quality visuals like share before and after transformation. Let's say a design project if you're more into designs. So showcasing your skills, improving aesthetics and functionality. Okay, so that depends. Um, what more? Uh, User-generated content like encouraging your followers to share their design projects using a specific hashtag, like that, something like that. So that depends on what you are focusing on, and also this will also help you generate leads by going to this search box, and that depends on what are you focusing on. So if your target audience or if you're targeting some CEO, so you can search here CEO so that you can get some leads here. So since this LinkedIn um, account, all of the accounts here, profile here are professional people, so you can really find professional leads here that will help you, and also help your leads with their business, with your services. So you can see here the first part is people section. So all of the CEOs, you will know them here. So if you want to see more, just click this one, see all people result. Okay, and uh, okay, yeah, that's one thing. And aside from that, we can also use the groups. Okay, yeah, it's still loading. um, yeah, for the groups we can use this one. Okay, okay, let me do it again. Let's say CEO, or let's say coaches, business coach. Now for the business coach, yeah, you can see this one, the people section. These are the business coaches, and also you can join some groups. So you can click this one, groups, or click this one at the top. You can do that. Okay, let's click this one, groups. So these are filters here that will help you um, go to your um, destination. So since we are in the group uh, section already, so we have about 1,800 results. So just pick or just join what group do you want to join here. So if you want to join, just click the join button, and once you can join already on the group, you can go in and interact with some business coaches inside the group. Okay, so um, okay, still pending. So let's go back. Okay, so that's one thing. Okay, that's what we can do. in approaching or in helping you in generating your leads. Okay, joining groups is also very important. One of the essential strategy that you can do to generate leads. So one thing is that by directly approaching um, to them. Okay, so let's say let's go back to CEO and um, yeah, let's try to message one of them. Uh, yeah, let's just say I'm gonna connect with um, so if you're targeting more onto coffee business, maybe um, or let's say web design. Yeah, web design. Let's connect with Christian Paulo. Okay, I'm sorry. So if you're going to connect with someone here, let's wait for it to load. So once you're going to connect, you can add a note or you can send without a note. So if you're going to add a note, you can make a first message to them that will um, help them know why you are connecting with them, or maybe what's your purpose or what's the reason. So for LinkedIn, you can have 5 personal invitations per month. Okay, so I'm not yet using some I am not yet using my personalized invitation for this month, so that's why I still have 5. So um, you can say, uh, hi Christian, uh, I saw that you are into web design. Are you looking for a client? Or you can say, are you looking for more clients? Then you can click send. So once you click send, um, you are already asking for a connect. It will be pending, and this note will be sent to them in their message. Okay, so that is how we um, generate leads, and I hope this helps us. Okay, so always remember that um, building network or strong network is very important for us to grow our leads and to generate more leads here in LinkedIn. So let's always connect with industry professionals, join relevant groups. Okay, when we say relevant groups, that depends on what niche or what are you focusing. If you're focusing on business coaches or CEOs or what, so that is really, really important. And then after that, engage with their content, like giving reactions and maybe dropping some comments that will help you expand your network and increase visibility. Okay, so that's it, and thank you so much.